clock runs out of time, leaving the daily grind behind. In our white and grey auto trail, adventures calling, hit the trail. 6 wheels are turning on the road, lightening up our heavy load, lightening up our heavy load.
Morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another site. This week we're at Oxon Hall Touring Park in Shrewsbury. We're on pitch 111, so it's quite a wide pitch, but not very long. We've had to overhang the back end, but you know, it's a good pitch, good solid gravel. There's lots of pitches this way, lots of pitches over here. Pitches over here, adults only over here, big American motorhome there, and then round the back here is the holiday park and the lodges. Yeah, it's quite quiet considering that we're not far from the road, but we are down a little like private road to get to the site. So from our pitch, this is two-way this way, but no entry into here, so you've got to go that way and through the holiday park and then back round again and come out of here, which is where we came by accident. We should have gone up this road here and then round to get into the site. So I put a map on of the site. As I say, more this side, this is the way you should go, and we didn't go. And this is big American RV. I mean, that is superb. We've not seen one like that. It's quite old. X-Reg, the old X-Reg, but it looks really good. Right, so here, coming up, so we're there. You've got your L-sand point. Yeah, then you've got your recycling, and you've got your grey wastewater and your drinking water with a light at the end for the night time. Up there is adults only. Not been up there yet, don't think we need to go up there, but it goes up and round. And then round there, like there's like a little lake sort of thing, little pond, maybe, or it used to be. No, can you see, look, we've got rabbits. So you can see this, there's rabbits in the field. Very early in the morning. See, look, all the rabbit holes here. And I'm not surprised because look, you've got, see if I can zoom in and show you those. Yeah, look at that. Rabbits there, rabbits there, rabbits there. There's rabbits all over this field. They're everywhere. Up there as well. Yeah, so not only that, we've got pheasants and ducks and all sorts of little things. Little critters and birdies and everything. It's really quite good. Oh, good. I have got the fob key, so it's fob entrance. You come in and out this way. These are the two. That's the duty officer, the duty manager's house. I think this is possibly another one of them. Yeah, so assistant manager, so they both live on site. Very friendly people. The shop's great. The people are lovely. You can have parcels delivered here. Our water pump's died, so we're going to have to get a new water pump. That's been ordered and it should come today. We're on Wednesday. It should come by tomorrow, hopefully. There's inside parking. There's the gas. You can get Cala gas here. Don't know what's in there. I think it's the services. You know, for like where they store their little tractor and stuff. So barrier exit, barrier entrance. When you exit, you've got to drive up to there, park out, come here, give your fob back into the shop, which is here. So this is where we are. And this is a reception and shop. So reception that side, shop in there. You can probably just see through the window the tiny little bits of the shop just in there. This is quite a good shop. Information room. Oh, smells freshly painted. Yeah, it's not bad. Plenty of stuff to to occupy your time with, maps, the works, the general fare, a great Morris Leisure information room. It's pretty good. And then in here, you've got the veg prep area and the dishwashing. So I've seen that everywhere. Beware of frogs. Don't know why that is. I've not seen any. Oh, there's milk and eggs have been left there. They must have turned up this morning very early. Pot wash. You know, what more can you say? And then here, we have shower facilities. That's can't go in there. So shower facilities, you have a key fob and a key to get in. Ladies that side, gents that side, staff only there. And I'll put a video in now of the facilities. Right guys, this is the gents. Big mirror there, hairdryer, sinks, all the way down there. Another mirror there, shaving plugs. This side, sink, toilets, 4 toilets to sit down on, including a disabled one at the end. Urinals there, a standard hand dryer. And then down here, we've got more sinks. And then showers, 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 all over. And these are really good ones like Cam C, no push button. So the only thing is the showers are quite compact and small, sort of just enough to squeeze in, but they'll do. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 showers, 6 wash basins, 4 toilets, 4 urinals, and a partridge in a pear tree. No, sorry, and a decent hairdryer. So not bad facilities at all. Like them, they're good. Here's the laundry room, so 2 big washing machines, 2 big dryers, Speed Queen, we've got some washing in at the moment. That's how much it is. Yeah, and that really works. So 30 minutes in this is a great wash, 45 minutes in here is a brilliant dry. So we've done 1 load already, and now we've got the 2nd load in. We'll probably do a 3rd one before we leave on Thursday, but these are really good. It's dead warm in here, flipping heck. Oof. But yeah, so the washing machines and the laundry facilities are great. There's an ironing board, and obviously hand washing sinks here, and a table to fold your washing up on, which is great. So one of the better laundry area rooms that we've been on site, and yeah, well recommended. And then down this side, you've got another static caravan, but this one is for sale. Yeah, 38 by 12, 65,373. Includes delivery, sighting and connections. So that's not bad, is it? That's pretty good. Nice that. Well, yeah, I'm not sure you can see in there, can you? That looks nice. Looks like a... Sorry, I put my hand over the camera there. I was trying to block out the light. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. If you're looking for a static caravan, that's pretty good. So there's the entrance to come in and the exit to go out. We're literally, 3 minutes car ride from a co-op, and then 15 minutes to the Sainsbury's at Meal Brace. Is that how you say it? I have no idea. But yeah, so it's oh, there's the entrance as well to the adults only area. So through there and up across into the adults only area. That option wasn't available when we booked it online, so we've got in the normal family area. One of those things. But that's it. So this is Oxon Hall Touring Park, and Holiday Home Park. Yeah, we're on our way to the van club, to Ledbury Rugby Club. Morning. Some funny people around. Some people don't say hello to you, so I never get that. I mean, I'm not very sociable, but I don't mind saying hello to people. It's just common courtesy, isn't it? Anyway, never mind. So yes, so we're using this as a stopgap. We're here until the bank holiday Friday, Easter, and then we're going to the Easter rally with the van club at the Ledbury Rugby Club. So that should be okay, because we're going to see Mark and Sue Nuts on tour, and anybody else that's going that we know from the van club. Yeah, should be good. Should be a good, fun-filled 3 or 4 days. And then after that, we don't know where we're going yet. We need to book tonight for somewhere after Easter to go back across in Ledbury maybe, or Herefordshire, before we go back up to Cheshire to somewhere close, or maybe even Shrewsbury again, somewhere close, because I've got to get on the train again to go into the office to Kent. It's a pain in the arse, but we have to do this every quarter, and it's the time to go again. As you can see, we're near the trees, so Starlink is pointed directly up, and we've got a lot of obstructions either side, and here with the van, and that side with that van, but we're still getting 190 meg, so you can't grumble really. Yeah, so that's it. So this is Oxon Hall Touring and Holiday Park in Shrewsbury, Shropshire. Not a service pitch, it's just a pitch with electric. So grey waste is in the yellow bucket and the water is over there at the service point where I've just shown you. So it's not too bad, it's fairly convenient. Right, as an aside, one thing I did forget to do was come down here and show you the path this way, because there is a path from where we are there. This is the way that we came in, which is wrong because we missed the site, missed the pitch, came up here and round and through where the the holiday park is. So you've got grass pitches here, a couple of grass pitches there. It's quite a big site. See, look, rabbits running again everywhere. And then this way, so there's a path here that brings you, so I don't know whether it's any quicker or not, to the toilet block. So there's a toilet block, and there's the van. So you could walk across that if there's nobody on it, and down here. And then what you've got here is you've got the duck pond. So I've got it on wide angle at the moment, so you can actually see more. So there's some duckies on. I'll try and zoom in if I can and see. So don't walk through occupied pitches. You see, we need that sign everywhere because people keep doing that on other sites. So if we've got a deep water, look, there's rabbits there. Can we zoom into that? Look at the rabbits. You see them? There. Rabbits. Ooh, it's cold, my eyes are watering. And then obviously we've got, this is the duck pond. This is the, oh, we're a bit too zoomed in there. Right, wait a minute. Can we do a middle for diddle? There we go, that's better. That's the middle one. Yeah, so this is the duck pond. It's in the, not really the middle, it's in the edge near reception. So this is reception, the shop here, which I would imagine used to be a cafe or something maybe. And then that's the back end of the reception. There's the toilet block. Don't know if there's any fish in here or not. There's the duckies. Hello, duckies. You want food? Yeah, I don't think we've got any food for you. We've got some in the van. Come up to the van. So it's nice. It's not a bad little duck pond. And a rabbit pond and a whatever else pond. I just wish I knew there was fish in it. Not that you can fish it, of course, but there's like ornamental carp maybe, or the odd goldfish. I don't know. There's a moorhen. You see it there. Just a moorhen there. And look at that. A terrible bag of crisps. Why people just leave rubbish like that, I don't know. It's ridiculous. But anyway, so there's little lights down the side of the fence. It's all lit up at night. More pitches this way. More pitches behind us. And then nice bench seating to sit on and enjoy the ducks. Maybe feed them some duck food. But not bread, of course, because it's bad. Right, so there's 3 rabbits here now. one there, and one that's just run away. So they're all over the place. Bloody holes everywhere. I mean, look, they just dig for England. Rabbit holes, rabbit holes, rabbit holes everywhere. And quacky ducks. So there you go. So that's it. So that is the lake, pond, whatever you want to call it. And this is probably the easiest way to get from the van to the toilet block without going up the road. But then if you're going through at night, I would imagine that you'd fall through some of those holes. You put your foot in those holes, you twist your ankle, that could be pretty severe. And then obviously when there's people on these pictures, you're not supposed to walk past them, not supposed to walk through. Yeah, so there we go. That was the extra little bit of video that I forgot to film before. But that's it. So, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one, which will hopefully be the Van Club Rally at Ledbury Rugby Club. Bye.